Welcome back to another oddly satisfying video. Today we are taking care of a dirty pool cement. This is a pool at an apartment complex, and because of COVID, this pool was not even open last year at all. So the pool itself, all the cement has just been sitting, getting really dirty. So they called us to have us clean the whole thing up so it looks great for the upcoming season. So that's what we have in store. It'll be definitely a full day project. This will be a lot of work. It's pretty dirty here. So let's get to work and let's clean this the oddly satisfying way. we're all finished up. 6 hours it took to do the pool. A lot less square footage than the other pool that we just finished, so this one took a little bit quicker, but overall, nice solid day, 6 hours. Cleaning the whole pool top to bottom. Paver patios are a little different than concrete because you don't necessarily see the same type of detail that you do on concrete, so you kind of, I think, feel like you can somewhat go a little bit faster, but overall, went good, looks good. Some drainage problems for sure at this facility, so it's a little bit harder to kind of clean off all the mud because it puddles up in a lot of spots, but you gotta do what you gotta do, clean it the best you can, and we did that. So that's it. Thanks for watching as always, and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe for more oddly satisfying videos. See ya.